Hey, as they say in Scandinavia. Welcome to Drive with Care. I'm out and about. I'm in Folkestone. Well, in fact, I'm in Cheriton at the Motis Business Centre. And I thought I'll go down to the Harbour Arm, take my camera, do some photography, because it's Christmas down there. So let's do a drive through Cheriton and into, I was going to say Canterbury then, into Folkestone. Just navigate some roundabouts, just a little urban drive. Because it's Christmas, the roads could be hectic. So what are we looking out for? Hazards, and let's get our awareness going. Again, I'm not a driving instructor, but, you know, this is part of the course with driving, isn't it? That whenever we're out, we need to have our wits about us and adhere to the rules of the road. But sometimes it's nice just to go out for a little drive. There goes the shopping. You never know. I mean, if I put it in vertical and I take a turn, it drops sideways. If I put it in horizontally in the boot, if I accelerate, it takes a drop. What are you going to do, right? So we'll go down Cheriton High Street. Lots of things to look out for there, with light doors opening at parked cars, that kind of stuff. Head down to past Morrison's and Folkestone West, then I'll go up Churchill Avenue, do a couple of roundabouts, get down Sandgate Road, take a left by Burger King, go through Middleburg Square, is that what it's called? And then we'll go down to the Harbour Arm. Yeah, little Folkestone drive, nice. The lights are green, that's convenient. Will we get through in time? I do believe that this area is a 30 mile an hour. It's strange that the high street goes through Cheriton and they haven't made it a 20 mile an hour. But it is 30, and the chances of getting above 20 are probably very slim. Car waiting at junction, trying to edge out. We can get 2 cars past the grid. Yeah, easy. So I'm looking out for doors opening, cars pulling out of car park spaces, pedestrians running across the road at random places. Someone sticking out from a car there. Yep, there they go. Because we all do it, you know, we don't necessarily stroll 100 yards to a designated crossing point only to have to walk 100 yards back. You cross where it's convenient. You just have to watch. Do I turn right and go down Shorncliffe Road? Or shall I go straight on? What's the best solution? Lights will probably change anyway, so I'm preparing myself for that. Yeah, just as I got to them. What an awful set of traffic lights. I was literally there 5 minutes because it does like 3 or 4 way. That is an ideal candidate for a roundabout, that one. It would make the congestion so much easier. Right, currently doing 30. Past the Folkestone Football Club. Cemetery on the right, dead centre of town. Morrison's. Like a Formula One chicane route now, isn't it, with all these cycle routes added. Not sure I suppose if we're giving them 2 meters, then that's a good width to have as a cycle route. But it does seem overkill to me. Who are the planners that do these things? Car to my right. No one waiting at the pedestrian crossing. Go around to the next one. Nobody waiting. Only because I want to do a little route around Folkestone rather than just go straight down Middleburg Square. Spice it up a little. Indicate off the roundabout, unlike the car ahead, into a one-way system. Where are we now? Wednesday the 18th of December. A mere 7 days till Christmas. And then the full season ends and we're all back to normal. Feels weird not working because of the old furlough that they've put me on. But I am finding I'm busy. Prepping for videos mostly. Did 2 photography ones. Another one from my Pride and Prejudice. I'm doing a driving one now. Things to do. Build that YouTube channel. I think I'm very close to 900 subscribers now on this Drive With Care channel. Thank you very much if you've subscribed. And yeah, it'd be great to get it up to 1,000, because then it just all kicks off. Once you get 1,000 subscribers, then it all kicks off. And what is it Black Crag Glenn says? He says, you know what? Hit that subscribe. It means nothing to you. You know, so you've got another channel that you're subscribed to. You don't have to watch the videos, but he encourages people, just hit the subscribe button. And I'll encourage that as well. Obviously, if I get on your nerves with my rambling, then you don't want to be subscribed, do you? But, you know, if you find the videos helpful or useful or at all enjoyable, then, yeah, hit the subscribe button. Road of Remembrance is closed. I would have preferred to go down there because it goes straight down to the Harbour Arm, doesn't it? But we'll go at Middleburg Square, drop down. Oh, got a pedestrian waiting. I'll let her through. There's another couple here. It's actually quite interesting driving around here in the middle of the day when I ought to be at home working, but I'm not because of the furlough. But actually just seeing all the people and the milling around. I'm thinking I'll come up here with my camera shortly. Park down at the Harbour Arm, but come up here and then walk back down. Just to get some street photography done, I think. Still a one-way system. I wonder when they're going to redevelop that bus station. They're supposed to be turning it into a park, aren't they? In their wisdom, the planners, town planners, I think they're all thriving on backhanders, aren't they? Tell you what, if you put a park there, I'll make it worth your while. No left turn. To a one-way system. No right turn because Tonsine Street coming up is a one-way system, and we join that one-way system. Should go right here. Another one-way street. And I have had a car coming towards me on this street before, so never take anything for granted, right? And I do recall when I was in Ramsgate, I was in a band and we were going to a venue and I got lost. And guess what? I drove down a one-way street the wrong way, only to be met at the far end by a policeman. Do you realise this is a one-way street? I was half tempted to say I was only going one way, officer. But actually I just veined the totally confused by Ramsgate, never been here before. He said, okay, turn right there and off you go. I was very fortunate. Could have got a ticket, I guess. Right hand lane down to Harbour Arm. I think I'll actually go and park in the Harbour Arm. Make the video worthwhile. Didn't indicate because the right hand lane was for right hand turn, as I learnt from Georgia, who passed her test recently. Force of habit for me, but she said, you don't need to do it, Grandpa. Cranburston seems to have had some kind of renovation going on. It's all white. Right, we're going to park in the Harbour Arm just for a short while. See what's what. You won't join me. We'll just end the video. Oh, my life license plate has been recorded, it said. You're never alone in this world of Big Brother. They know exactly where you are all the time. I'm going to park right here, ready for a quick exit when I leave. Gotta love reverse parking sensors, haven't you? Okay, that was just a drive around Cheriton and Folkestone, just so that I can knock one out and get another one on the channel. Any hazards that to be aware of? Really none. Just a pleasant enough drive. Anyway, I might get some more out before the Christmas period. If I don't, then this might be the last video before the Christmas period. I should have wore a Santa hat. I hope you have a nice festive time. Enjoy a mulled wine and a mince pie, perhaps. Bye for now. Drive with care.